So if you're looking at GoHighLevel, you probably already know it's one of the most powerful marketing tools on the planet. But you probably also noticed there are three main price tags: $97, $297, and $497. And figuring out which one you actually need is confusing. The truth is, the three plans are designed for three completely different types of businesses. Picking the wrong one either means that you are paying too much, or worse, you are leaving money on the table. So in this video, I'm going to break down all of their plans and tell you which one you need depending on what you're looking to do with. I'll also go over the hidden limits and most importantly, show you how the $497 per month plan can turn your service business into a software business. So let's start with the one essential truth that applies to all three of these plans. So that's basically the universal fee. So you pay as you go. No matter which one of these three plans you go with, the fee is for the software access only. It does not include the communication tools. Now from the very first email you send, the first text message or the first phone call, you are billed an extra tiny pay as you go fee. This is kind of like paying for gas in a car you already bought. Now this is critical because it is where the major pricing differences between the plans come into play later on. Now let's take a look at their three main tiers. So some of the differences are obvious. Starter plan is for people just starting out at $97 per month, where you have up to 3 accounts, meaning you can manage up to 3 businesses in this plan. Then you have the freelancer plan, also called unlimited, at $297 per month, where you can have unlimited accounts or sub-accounts, which means you can manage as many businesses as you want using GoHighLevel. Now this plan is mainly for agencies with a lot of clients, at least people with more than 3 clients, or those who want to white label the desktop app to add their own branding onto the platform. Here you also get chat support, phone support, and a partner program. But then the Agency Pro plan, which is also called SaaS Pro, is $497 per month. And the difference here is that you can do SaaS. So on the other ones here you could see no SaaS. This one has unlimited SaaS. So that's software as a service. What that means is that you can resell GoHighLevel. Now that can be a bit confusing since in the unlimited plan you can already white label it. In the Agency Pro plan you can also white label it, but then you can also resell it. So you can create different pricing plans, you can have different features included in each plan, you can have your own snapshots that you are reselling, and you can really turn it into an actual software that you package for a certain industry, for example, where you build out specific templates for that industry. You also get custom objects, email, phone, text, rebilling, so this is what I was talking about earlier. In any of these plans you need to pay extra for email, phone and texting, but if you are going with the Agency Pro plan, they can rebill it at a markup to your customers. But even in the $97 per month plan, you get access to pretty much the entire toolkit in GoHighLevel. So if you want to manage less than 3 businesses and you don't want to resell it or add your own branding, they can just go with the starter plan. But if you have an agency or you want to add your own branding to the platform, then you want to go with the unlimited plan. So for the vast majority of agencies, this is the sweet spot. So why the jump to $297? Because it removes 2 major limitations. First, you get the unlimited sub-accounts, so you can manage 10 clients, 50 clients or 100 clients for the same flat price. And this is a game changer for agencies with a large client volume. And second, as I mentioned, you get white label branding for the desktop app. So when your clients log in, they see your logo and your brand and not GoHighLevel's. And here's the key financial detail about this plan. At this plan, you can automatically rebill your clients for their usage costs, so their texts and emails, but you must charge them the cost price. You cannot add a profit markup. So you're passing on the bill, but you are not monetizing their usage. Then finally, the $497 per month SaaS Pro account is the software reseller plan, and this is how agencies build true wealth with GoHighLevel. So the $200 per month jump from Unlimited to Pro unlocks the ability to turn your service agency into a software as a service. So this plan gives you the SaaS mode configurator, meaning you can create your own branded software plans, automate the client sign up and payment process, and charge clients a recurring subscription for access to your branded software. You also get the white label mobile app, putting your brand on their phone. But the most powerful feature in this plan is the ability to rebill usage fees with a markup. So you can add a profit margin to every text, email, and phone minute that your client uses. So with a high volume of clients, those small margins add up to a huge additional stream of monthly recurring revenue. So you should get the $497 per month Pro plan if your goal is to sell software. So summary, who should buy which plan? The $97 per month starter plan is for the solo entrepreneur who needs a powerful tool for their one business and doesn't plan to offer it to more than a couple of clients. The $297 per month unlimited plan is for the service agency that needs to manage an unlimited number of clients but is happy to make their money by billing for their marketing services, not for the software itself. And finally, the $497 per month SaaS Pro plan is for the entrepreneur who wants to create their own branded software company, automatically onboard clients, and generate extra profit from usage fees. Now, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can claim an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days that they offer. And if you want to sign up for the Agency Pro plan, how that works is first you need to sign up for either Starter or Unlimited, and from there you can go to Settings, then Billing, and there you can upgrade to Agency Pro. You can also bill annually, where you will save I think 2 months per year. So that concludes this explanation of GoHighLevel's pricing. You now know whether Starter, Unlimited, or SaaS Pro is best for you. If this video helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.